There are tools that will make you significantly more money on Polymarket. There are also tools that will take your private keys, drain your wallet, and vanish. Most people talking about these tools have been paid by the companies behind them, and they're not going to tell you the second part. I will. This video covers the tools that I actually use, how to tell the difference between something legit and something that'll cost you everything, and the one tool that I suggest everyone should use, even if they're just getting started. If you're still using the basic Polymarket web UI and placing market orders, this video will show you exactly what you're leaving on the table and how to make sure you actually take it home. If you're the type of guy who is going to trade these markets by buying into one of these outcomes and then waiting a couple hours to maybe days or even a few weeks, probably best for you to just stick to the website, the web UI, and then instead of market buying, use limit orders. You'll get better fills, better entries. Let's say that is not how you play. You want it to be quick. That is what's important for your strategy. There are a couple of tools that you can use, different bots, but that comes with a huge disclaimer. There are a ton of good bots. They use Privy to generate your wallet and stuff without getting into the technicalities of it. Even if it's a 1% chance, there is a chance that those bots, those companies could just rug you. In the sense, they could just take all your money and then run away, and you will be the one ending up losing all the money. So whenever you are using any sort of third party services where you have to deposit your money, keep this in mind. Very important. Although they will help you make a lot more money. Keeping this disclaimer in mind, if you still want to use them, if it gives you an edge, you can go ahead and use my links and my referral codes. That would be appreciated. But that's it. Tools like Poly Alert Hub. This is a very good one. This will basically help you track smart money. I do use this and some of my proprietary systems that I've built, which of course you cannot expect me to share here. This is quite good. And I can suggest you to use this. And also you do not have to like deposit any of your money into this. So no fear of getting robbed. Scroll down to the description of this video and you'll find the links to Polymarket and the different bots that I use personally and I find them safe. So you can directly access these from the links I'll drop below so that you don't have to worry about finding the official links and not end up clicking on any phishing links by accident.